Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send money to friends or family so you can avoid getting charged additional fees via PayPal. So normally you would be at your summary page when you log into your PayPal account. Now this is one that I've just created for the purposes of this video. And then the tab that you need to go to is the middle tab here that says Send and Request. It's going to have two different options here under Send and Request. You can either send money or request that someone pay you. The first option here is send money. That's obviously what we're trying to do now. So go ahead and enter the email address of the person that you're trying to send money to. Now remember, they do have to have an active PayPal account in order for this to work. Once you've typed in the email address, go ahead and hit enter, and then it'll take you to the next page. Now, as you can see here, this is where you enter the amount that you're wanting to send the individual via PayPal, and then you can add a note if it's a gift or you want to keep it anonymous. You can do that here. So make sure you put the amount that you want to send, give the recipient a name, and then choose the recipient's country or region of residence. That's important as well. And then click the blue Continue button. As you can see, it's going to ask you, what's this payment for? Sending to a friend or paying for an item or service? If you choose this option here, you will be charged fees. If you choose this one here, sending to a friend, then you will not be charged fees. So go ahead and select that option there. Now remember, you cannot choose this option if you are purchasing an item or a service. This is only if you're sending money to family or friends. And then once you're ready, you'll see a button here that says Send Payment Now. Because this is a new account, I don't have that available to me, but you'll see the button here down below. You just click that button and that will automatically take that money from your account, whether it's in your PayPal balance, your associated credit or debit card, and then it will send that money immediately to your friend or your family. Now, if you're doing this on a mobile device, it will look like this. This is where you go to send money, and then this is what it will look like when you insert the amount that you want to add. It'll give you the option to choose either a friend or family or purchasing an item or a service. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, help me out by sharing, liking, and subscribing to the channel for more great technology tips just like this. See you in the next video.